With the Obamacare enrollment date just 1 week away, there are still a lot of questions you might have about how to pick the best low-cost insurance for you and your family. Foundation Communities will be offering help at special centers in Austin. KXAN political reporter Josh Hinkle was at the opening of one of them today.
Our trained volunteers will be here willing and able to answer questions.
If you're heading to Highland Mall around October 1st, you might be in the market for something a little different. Setting up shop in this empty space, an affordable care enrollment center.
So we have 50 to 70 who've gone through both tax training and the training to do the enrollment.
This is where people will wait for help at this center. The big difference, volunteers will work here, not the federally funded navigators Governor Rick Perry wants to slap with more requirements. A minimum of 40 hours of state training in addition to the federal training requirements, a rigorous exam based on that training, background checks and fingerprints, and fees for the training and registration. But it might not stop there. Other leaders say it could someday apply to the volunteers here.
Texas's inherent drive to succeed.
In a letter to the state's insurance commissioner, Perry said because of the nature of navigators' work and because they will be collecting confidential information, including birth dates, social security numbers, and financial information, it is imperative that Texas train navigators on the collection and security of such data.
Initially, he referred only to the navigators, of which we have too few in Central Texas. But if you follow the logic of his misinterpretation, it would apply to everyone who wants to provide health insurance assistance and information.
Thank you, Elizabeth. Thank you very much.
For now, organizers here say their workers are ready to go, but any additional requirements for anyone might mean a delay in the help that's available for Texans who need insurance now.
And we don't have much time between now and October 1st.
In Central Austin, Josh Hinkle, KXAN News.
The Highland Mall location is just one center. Foundation Communities will open next week for people needing insurance information. The others are at Stastny and Westgate, announced today after a grant from St. David's, another at LifeWorks in East Austin.